What's up guys, this is Steve from Santec IT Solutions. This is part 8 of my video series about bare bones kits. In this video I'm going to be installing the RAM chips. Before installing your RAM, always check with the motherboard user manual. The manual should tell you which DIMM slots to use first. This particular motherboard wants you to use slots 2 and 4 first. So I'm going to go ahead and install the RAM chips. Always make sure to install them vertically and line up the notches. Remember to just gently press the RAM into place. There we go. Okay, there you have it. RAM's the easiest thing to install. Always make sure to wear an anti-static wristband for protection. Be sure to check out my other videos in the series, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.